Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris with Edge Body here today for your workout of the day. It's going to be a mini face melter style workout. I've got 2 different exercises. You're going to do 100 reps of each exercise, breaking it up into 10 sets of 10 reps. So start up everybody's favorite burpees. You're going to start out feet shoulder width apart, hands down to the floor, squat down, hop or step back to a full push-up position. Because you're a savage, throw in your push-up, hop or step back in, and then jump straight up. That's going to be your first move, 10 reps. Your second move, we're doing V-up, so lay on your back. Fully extend all the way out. Fight and strive to get your upper body off the floor. Come up as high as you can, down and back up for a total of 10 reps. And that's your first round. Second round, the exact same thing. Continue through this pattern as fast as you can, but chasing quality reps over the clock. As always, let me know how fast you got the workout done and how everything went. Peace.